Hello, this is Mary from Cricut Designs. I just thought I'd make this quick tutorial to explain to people how to convert score lines and draw lines within Design Space. Unfortunately, when Design Space uploads SVG files, it doesn't bring in the draw and the score elements, so you have to change them yourself. So if I show you a design that I've already made, this is something that I've made. It's a card with an insert card. So let me just go to the upload, click on the design I want to upload, and then bottom right hand corner, add to canvas. Now it doesn't look anything like the design that you think you've imported. That's because of the way it's imported the elements, but I'll show you how to get them back to how you want them. First and foremost, you need to go to the button here, right hand side at the top, ungroup. This ungroups all your layers. Now on this card here, because it has a back insert card, we can actually get rid of that. Because we don't need it and it will just confuse the demonstration. So I just highlight that and use the delete button. So now all we've got is the card. So if we go to the various different elements here on the right hand side, if I go to the top one, which is obviously looks like a greenhouse, but we know that it should just be drawn. You can see in the top left hand corner here, it's coloured green. Anything that's green in my design is something that needs to be changed to a pen. So you need to click on the operation and go down to draw and pen, and as you can see straight away it changes it to a drawn design. So you can go through each element of the design to see what colour it is in that top left hand colour. That's yellow, we can leave that. We come to the next one, that's blue. As you can see, it's highlighted it on the card, and you can see that that is your score line. All my score lines are always coloured blue. So anything in this right hand group here, as you go through it, if it's blue, it should be converted to score. So once again, click on the operation and go down to score. If you click out of the design, you can now see that it has changed the blue line to a score line. It has changed the green to draw lines. What we now have to do is attach all of this to the card. So on your right hand side, click each element individually, holding down the shift key, and this will highlight them all like such. Then at the bottom here you want to click attach. This makes sure that it's all attached to the card. So when we go to make it, top right, you can see everything is on the card as it should be. Do make sure that you change your material size to A4. I have been caught out a couple of times. And then we go to continue. It will connect to your machine. In my case it's a Maker. I do prefer at the moment poster board setting. I don't change the pressure. Depending on your machine and your materials, you may have to do this. Here you can edit the tools if you need to. As you can see, you have to put a pen in clamp A. Here it has a double scoring wheel. You can edit tools. If you have a scoring stylus, you can click here. I've got a single scoring wheel, so I'll click here and click apply. Then you load your mat. It will tell you bit by bit what you have to load, and do follow the instructions to make sure that it does the pen, the score, and then the cut. And there we have it, how to convert drawn or score items within an SVG file in Design Space. Thank you very much. Goodbye.